In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini API keys in Google AI Studio. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Google AI Studio, or you can also search for it directly using Google. You'll be looking for the official site from Google, so just click on that link when it appears in the search results. Once you're on the Google AI Studio homepage, the next step is to click on the appropriate link to access the platform. It should be fairly clear on the website. If you're a first-time user, you might see a button reading Get Started. Click on that. It's a simple step, but essential if you want to continue on your journey toward managing your API keys effectively. After you click Get Started, you should find yourself in the heart of the AI Studio's interface. Pay attention to the sections available to you, particularly the area where API keys are managed. Look for a button that says Get API Key. This is important because you'll need to create or manage the keys from this section. Now, after you've clicked on Get API Key, a window will pop up showing you any existing API keys associated with your account. This is where you'll see the specific keys you're dealing with, including the one you might want to delete. Take a moment to locate the key that you wish to delete. In our example, let's say we're looking for a key labeled Tutorial. Once you've found it, look for the three dots next to the key. Clicking these three dots will bring a drop-down menu with options for that specific key. One of the options you should see is Delete Key. Go ahead and click that option. A confirmation page will then appear, and this is a critical moment in the process. Google will ask if you really want to delete this key. It's essential to remember at this point that once you confirm this deletion, it cannot be undone. If you're sure that you want to proceed, then click on Delete on this confirmation page. And there you have it. You have successfully deleted your Gemini API key in Google AI Studio. Throughout the process, make sure you double-check that you're deleting the correct key, especially if you have multiple keys listed. This extra step of caution can save you from potential issues down the line. As you work with Google AI Studio and its API keys, remember that managing these keys is a crucial part of using the platform effectively. Keys provide access to various functionalities, and ensuring they are up-to-date and relevant to your projects is very important. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to comment below. I love hearing from you, and your feedback can help improve future content. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy working with Google AI Studio and your API keys. Remember, managing your API keys efficiently can greatly enhance your project's effectiveness. And your latest learnings about how to delete keys are a step toward mastering this valuable skill. Happy coding!